The hardest workout is not the first workout. It is the moment before it, when feeling out of shape starts sounding like evidence that you should not even try. But the way back is much smaller, calmer, and more forgiving than most people think. The first payoff is learning why tiny sessions beat heroic ones when your body is rebuilding trust. Then we will make exercise feel measurable without needing perfect gear, perfect form, or a perfect gym routine. A perfect gym routine. And the real win, a repeatable comeback loop so one missed day does not become another missed month. Imagine someone who decides to get fit, goes to it on day one, wakes up sore, and quietly decides exercise is not for them. That is a plan that asked for too much proof too soon. For the first week, make the goal almost suspiciously small, 2 to 10 minutes of walking, mobility stairs, or light bodyweight movement. The point is not to prove toughness or a perfect gym routine. If this already is to teach your brain, I can start and plan you tried. If subscribe for practical health guides that respect real life, not fantasy schedules. A useful starting intensity is the pace where you can talk in short sentences, but singing would feel annoying. If it feels like nothing, if you cannot speak, back off. If it feels like nothing, add a little time before adding intensity. Or a perfect gym routine. Public health guidance points adults toward about 150 minutes of moderate activity per week, plus 2 days of muscle strengthening work. Do not treat that as day one pressure. Treat it as the direction of travel. The best beginner plan usually hides inside your current day, after coffee, before a shower, during a lunch break, while something is cooking. A habit gets stronger when it has a reliable doorway. When it starts feeling easier, change only one thing. Add a few minutes, add one extra day, or add light strength work like wall push-ups, sit-to-stands, or carrying groceries with control. If you have chest pain, dizziness, unusual shortness of breath, or a chronic condition you are unsure about, check with a health professional before pushing harder. So the beginner formula is simple. Start below your ego, stay in the easy medium zone, and make the habit restartable. The win is not becoming a different person overnight. Win is a perfect gym routine. The win is becoming someone who can begin again without making it a crisis. Try one small session today, then leave a comment with the word you want your next month to feel like. Stronger, lighter, calmer, or consistent. Start small enough to repeat. That is how out of shape turns back into in motion.